As you guys know, our hubs are in. Sone is packing them out. And seeing that our hubs are in, we probably could explain a little bit about the differences between our hubs, our custom hubs, and the regular hubs that's out there.
Okay, so let me get this hub in. These all-wheel drive hubs. These are all hubs here, as you can see.
Heavy duty.
These are on most like the all-wheel drive, what most people use because they're 23 spline. These are actually up on the inside. But
you can see
these are hubs, yeah, you can see the comparison. So the difference, the big difference on these is ours, we use bigger bearings, much bigger bearings,
yep.
Especially like for street cars and all that and everything. There might be maybe a pound heavier, but reliability and all that, this is much better.
Much better.
Because the displays heat much better because it's we use bigger bearings on these hubs here. You can see ours 4x100, or if you want you can change that to 4x114 without buying a new hubs for it. Okay, so and then also our 5 lugs, let's say hey you use this 4 lugs and let's say you got our arms and all that, you want to use the 5 lugs, you don't have to change out the whole arms. All you could do is just buy our 5 lug hubs and then just take off the 4 bolts, put this on, now you got a 5 lug.
Yep.
So
I mean, you guys can see the inside one, you only can go one route here.
Yeah.
Meanwhile on ours, you have 2 routes to go. Just look at it, guys. More heavy duty, over 1,000 horsepower. For years, no complaints, 0 complaints so far. And even if you want them with ARP studs, guys, we got you too. Just give us a call, and we got you. Hubs galore.